for people to believe in you to come to your event, it means you have an impact.
You're right.
You understand?
You're very right. You're very right. Sir.
Yeah, that particular day, I although me and my friends, my colleague, my team, they were just trying to just help me with something. They're like, we were eating what is it called? Banana. You know, banana now. Banana, we're trying to eat it to the stick so we can be able to stand it somewhere on the red carpet side. So like 3 people just walked in, they just came in, they were like, good afternoon. I said good afternoon. They said they come for the show. I asked them all, they said all the way from Ogun State, sir. I won't lie to you. See, this is why I say at it being those time we've grown to the level. I don't have an Android phone, but I'm using my friend phone to push myself online.
Wow.
I posted that stuff on Facebook and also. So those people were like, I told them we've not started the show. They said they will wait. If I'm talking about this thing, I wish I had the camera that took that particular clip.
All the way.
I was
Ibadan.
all the way from Ogun State.
Ogun State,
sir.
Down to the show, Lagos State. First show
in Lagos State, and I think they were the second set of people that came in for the event. My first show there.
Wow.
So that was my first show, 2017, August 27. So I did my second show, 2019. And I think your media house was one of my media house that covered my event. Yes. And I really appreciate Solution TV. I appreciate for your kind gesture, always trying to come around to support us. We really appreciate you. So thank you so much, sir. So 2019, I have top comedians that came around. I have top dancers that came around.
Yeah. So guys, you've been listening to HP's conversation with me on Talk to This Show. In case you're just joining, I am your host, Director Simon. But before we continue, I would like us to go on a quick break, and when we come back, we talk more on what HP has got for us today. Okay, guys, welcome back from that quick break. And in case you're just joining, this is Talk to This Show, and I am your host, Director Simon. So we've been discussing with MC HP. Started his career 2015 officially, professionally at 2015. But before then, he has been doing stuff and sharing inspiring stories. If you've not been following up, please go back and rewind the video back so you listen to his intriguing story that he has been sharing so far. You know, Nigeria has been hectic for everybody, for young people. But I really want to know how has it been with young creatives, most especially now since we are focusing on comedy today. How has it been with young comedians, and what do you think that comedy has done to impact the lives of young people in Nigeria?
Yeah, basically, as you can see right now, you know, Nigeria is, to be sincere with you, Nigeria is one of the best countries that is so blessed with a lot of talent and a lot of young people coming up with initiative, you know, coming up with something innovative, coming up with something that can actually inspire people.
Wow.
Now, looking at it right now in Nigeria, basically, everything the federal government is doing, everything the state government is doing, everything that is going on now in Nigeria is not helping us. Nothing is helping us. A lot of people are depressed. A lot of people feel, you know, in life, even if I go to school now scam. I come out from school no dey help me. I come out from school, I no get certificate. Even if I get certificate, I no get work. I have quite of my friends that graduate. They are not even doing. I get one guy from my area. If you say the guy that graduate, now Baba Jebu,
they work.
Baba Jebu, the guy, he's a graduate. I'm serious.
Wow.
With BSc.
1 minute.
So we didn't think that kind of person is still thinking about how to move forward in life. He's depressed. He doesn't have anything to do again. To him, he's just thinking this life is just nothing to him. This life no help me again. Since Nigeria is not helping me, so I need to just let go of myself and keep on drinking shepe, drinking Alumo bitter, drinking Action bitter, thinking life is just nothing to him. So we as the young one, should we look at someone like that and say, this is going to go school, in get BSc. That one means if we say go school, we'll get BSc and we'll not go see job. Oh, forget this thing, Jerry. We'll just sit down for house. There are a lot of people that are thinking like that.
True.
Now, as a young comedian like this now, there are a lot of people that want to call you for events. Seriously, to be sincere with you, COVID-19 I believe will spoil our job. Yeah, COVID-19 has spoiled our job because even the government is not even helping us. AY is going to be doing this event on Sunday, AY Live. How will a whole AY do this? This is main event. This is main event, AY Live. Now we'll be doing his own event and is going to be restricted to some certain kind of audience. Now he's doing the event live. People will be watching it live. We have, watching it live. It's doing it like it's the live edition.
And you know that people that would have bought ticket will not be able to buy again.
You understand? That's the point I'm going for. It has spoiled our business. Now it will be live. Do you want to say the people that can buy platinum table, 5 people sitting on the table, 5 million naira for 5 people sitting on the table? Can he get that same money doing it live?
He can't.
So you understand, you have just restricted people that will be coming to a hotel, his colleague that will be going for the event, and other just few media houses and, but it can't be like the normal one. So the comedy industry have been thriving right from the time that Alibaba took over and Alibaba changed everything. Kudos to Alibaba. Alibaba has done so well. I appreciate his effort in the industry. Baba has done so well. And Baba is always having this seminar and he's always having this spontaneity show for comedians that are coming up.
I think every January or so. I think
January 1st concert. Yes, sir. Every January 1st is always having spontaneity. So that show is actually inspiring young comedians that they can do more.
Wow, that is very powerful. So guys, we're going on a quick break now. When we come back, we're going to continue on this. Welcome back from that quick break. In case you're just joining us, this is Director Simon. I'm your host for the show today, and this is Talk to the Show. Please don't forget to click the like button, the subscribe button, and also share a comment. Your feedback is very, very important to me. And today we're having MCHP. We'll be discussing on the effect of comedy in Nigeria. So back to what you've been saying, HP. Music industry is actually growing wild, and it has made a lot of impact in Africa, in Nigeria, in Lagos State, over there. But I want to ask, what has been the impact of the government on the comedy space?
Yeah, to be sincere with you, the government. See, man, thoughts they know they try. Aside from you personally going to them, that you want to host something. See, the governments are not helping the entertainment industry. For entertainment industry now, fight for yourself. If you're not fighting for yourself, if you're not helping yourself, if you're not, you even as a human being, are the governments even are they even trying to support you as a human, talking of a particular industry? The government are not ready for us, but with the youth, we will never relent. We will just work on ourselves. The government have not been helping us so far. We are the ones struggling. One of my colleagues did his event last week. Comedian commissioner. What commissioner did was actually has this kind of mindset that he needs to go to local governments and go check for some certain people that have been doing well. Then he dropped a proposal letter to invite them for his show. So he just he told them he's going to be giving them awards. So this guy had to call. He just had to just pick people from different local governments, and he gave them award. My brother, if not because of that award, they no go come. They won't come. There was a time I planned. I'm listening to you. Sir? That's
like a marketing strategy as well, to get people to the program.
You understand? A marketing strategy, yeah. You just sit down and to be sincere with you, come, all these local government people now, when you invite one person, the person will bring our own carcass.
Yes.
You understand? They will bring their own, maybe they don't come wear gele, they won't come turn the comedy show to party. Oh, Ahmed, thank you. You will see women putting on gele like 7 on a particular seat, and one person will buy.